In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the left sidebar on Slack. If you spend a lot of time in Slack, that left sidebar is where you probably live. It's where you see your channels, direct messages, and notifications. Customizing it can make Slack feel cleaner, more personal, and a lot easier to navigate. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step through the settings you need to adjust, and I'll also explain what each option actually does so you know exactly what you're changing. Let's start inside your Slack workspace. Look to the bottom left corner of your screen. You should see your profile picture or your initials in a small circle. Go ahead and click that profile icon. This is your main entry point for account-related options and app settings. When the menu opens, you'll see a few choices related to your profile and account. From here, click on the option labeled Preferences. This is where you can control how Slack looks, behaves, and notifies you. It opens in a separate window or panel, usually in the middle of your screen. Inside Preferences, look along the left side of that panel for a section called Appearance. Click on Appearance. This is the area dedicated to how Slack looks, including colors, themes, and layout options that affect your left sidebar. Once you're in the Appearance section, Slack will show you a series of on-screen options and prompts. These might include different themes you can choose from, like light or dark mode, and color schemes that change how your sidebar looks. As you click on each theme or color option, you'll usually see an instant preview, so you can quickly tell what feels comfortable on your eyes. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully. If you see toggles or checkboxes related to the sidebar layout, use them to control what appears in that left panel. For example, you may have options to show or hide certain sections, group unread conversations, or adjust how channels and direct messages are organized. Take a moment to try a few combinations and notice how the sidebar updates in real time. When you're happy with the look and layout, you don't usually need to hit a save button. Slack applies most of these changes automatically. Simply close the Preferences window and your customized left sidebar is ready to use. Now, every time you open Slack, it should feel a bit more tailored to the way you like to work.